Hello, my name is Sebastián Martinez. I am from Valledupar. I live in Bucaramanga. The anecdote is about because I decided to study psychology. To begin with, I decided to study psychology because I had my family had problems. They fought because of alcohol and drugs. I also lost friends for the same reason, and they were experiences that made me feel um, back in my adolescence. After all that, I set myself the challenge of exploring psychology to help my friends and family to have a good mental health. Back before entering university, I was working in a foundation for young people with drugs and behavior problems. Being there, I learned to have empathy with people at all time, when I'm walking, when I'm working, also when I'm talking. And finally, I invite our people to take care of your mental health and to be kind. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.